Hi guys, it's Piper. Are you tired of looking like you've got tampons sticking out of your ears? Yeah? Well, me too. But I still love my AirPods. So, here's what you can do. Take them like so. Switch them up. Which one is which? Woo! No, okay. Stretch them up like this. Put him like this. Reverse up top. Yes, it's perfect. If you have a little bit of hair, well, guys usually have like half and half hairs, but still, put it on top like this. Be all sexy about it. And you see? No more tampons sticking out. Well, now, your left is your right and your right is your left. But if you're ambidextrous from your ears, it's all fine. Enjoy your music. Yeah, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more.